Hello friends, welcome to my class. Today I would like to explain what is black body and what is black body radiation. So this is Unit 1 Quantum Mechanics for BTech first year Applied Physics Regulation 18 syllabus. Okay, now let us see what is black body. So before going to see the black body, okay, I would like to say how the quantum mechanics have introduced or how the quantum mechanics have developed. So before that there is a classical mechanics. So okay, that classical mechanics was explained everything, for example electromagnetic theory or Newton's laws or conservation of energy, conservation of angular momentum. These all the laws and theories were explained by the classical mechanics. But when classical mechanics comes to explain the black body radiation, it is failed. Okay, according to classical mechanics, okay, the black body radiation is a continuous, but experimentally the black body radiation, it's not a continuous process, it is a discrete packets. Okay, this has given by the Max Planck in 1900, in 20th century. So this was a very huge revolution entire the physics. Then after the quantum mechanics have introduced or developed on this, based on this Max Planck radiation law. Okay, that basis is only black body radiation. Let us see how the black body radiate the energy or how the black body works. Okay, let us consider this is the body. Okay, this is the body. When a radiation of light is incident on it, when a radiation of light incident on this body, generally there are three principles or three phenomena we can see that. First one is reflection, and second one is transmission. It may be transmitted. Okay, and one more is there is a absorption. Okay, absorbs. First one is what? Incident. Okay, when radiation of light incident on the body, there is a reflection maybe occurs or transmission is occurs. So this is happen at the general bodies. But black body, what is the black body? Okay, this is a radiation of light which is incident on this body, and it receives or absorbs entire radiation. For example, this is 1 2 3 4. These are not 4 rays of radiation. So these are 4 different wavelength of energy radiation of light. Okay, when different wavelength of radiation of energy which is incidenting on this body, which completely absorbs. Okay, this body absorbs total energy. Okay, so that we can say it is acting as a perfect observer. Okay, and when we are heating the body, okay, the temperature increases. As temperature increases, what happens? It emits the radiation. It emits the radiation at a high temperature only. Okay, this body emits the radiation. So how much radiation it emits? Entire radiation with different wavelengths. For example, X-rays, gamma rays, okay, UV rays and IR rays. Different kind of electromagnetic waves radiates this body. Okay, when temperature is more, at more temperature radiation will be more. So that we can say this is a perfect emitter. So by these two statements we can simply define the black body, nothing but a body which completely absorb the energy of radiation which is incidenting on it and completely emits the radiation when the body is heated up. Such bodies are called as black bodies. Okay, for example, sun is there. Okay, sun can radiate the energy different wavelengths or different frequencies. Then frequency nothing but colors. So different wavelength nothing but size of the energy. For example, X-rays, gamma rays, UV rays, ultraviolet rays, radio waves. These are the rays or waves which are having a different wavelength. So the sun can emit the or radiate the different wavelength. So that we can say sun is a perfect emitter. Perfect emitter. But sun is not a perfect observer because it only emits the all kind of wavelengths of energy, okay, of electromagnetic waves. So that we can say, okay, there is no perfect black body in universe. The universe there is no perfect black body, but example we can say, okay, charcoal is a very good black body. And also we can say one more example, that is hollow sphere, which is having a small hole on it, okay, and the inner surface having lamp black. Okay, the inner surface coated with lamp black. Okay, and this is a very small hole on the hollow sphere. Okay, and this object may be called as or act as a ideal black body. Then we say this is the Ferri's black body. But actually there are no perfect black bodies in the universe, but there is a ideal black body is there, that is Ferri's black body or hollow sphere having a small hole on the top of the sphere. Okay, the inner surface coated with a lamp black. So this is about the black body. But radiation, what is the black body radiation? Okay, so listen to me. For example, this is the black body. Okay, it's the different energy of radiation of light which incidenting on it completely absorbs. Okay, on heating what happens? So it emits all kind of wavelengths as the black body emitting the radiation. Okay, according to classical mechanics, it is a continuous process. But Max Planck explained that whatever the black body is radiating the energy, it's not a continuous process, it is a discrete packets. So this is a discrete, nothing but a fixed energy. This is one of the discrete packet, otherwise called quantas. Okay, otherwise called quantas, and each and every quanta having a fixed energy. So that we can say, so discrete packet or quantized. What is quantized? Nothing but what? Having fixed value or fixed energy, we can say energy. Okay, so here there is a graph, let us say x-axis and y-axis, wavelength of the radiation of energy lambda, that is nanometers taken along x-axis, and the intensity taken along y-axis, that is kilojoule per nanometers. Okay, according to classical mechanics, as the black body is heated up, whatever the black body is emitting the radiation, that is continuous process. As temperature is more, the radiation must be more, so that the graph must be like this according to classical mechanics. But here when according to Max Planck, as he doing an experiment, the graph was like this. Graph was like this. So that, and these graph or these information or phenomena is a very big revolution in the entire the physics. Then after the quantum mechanics, okay, have come to the physics as a branch. So this graph tells us there is a radiation which is emitted by the black body is not continuous. It's not continuous. It is in a discrete brackets or photons, or otherwise called quantas. These quantas are later on called as photons. Whatever we are calling it as photons, quantas, these quantas are called photons later, okay, when Einstein has given some hypothesis based on this Planck's hypothesis. Okay, so this is about the black body radiation. What is the black body radiation? A body which is which is emit the radiation is known as the black body radiation. So what is black body? A perfect observer and a perfect emitter is known as a black body. This is how we can simply understand the what is black body and what is black body radiation. Remember that there is no perfect black bodies in the universe. For example, for ideal black body is charcoal or a hollow sphere. Consider a small hole on the top of the hollow sphere, and the inner surface of the hollow sphere is coated with lamp black. Okay, so that we are calling it as Ferris black body. Now let us see the one more. Let us see what is the Ferris black body. Okay, that we'll see in the next class. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel for the more updates. Thank you.